Hello and welcome to part 3 of the Actors tutorial. This part we'll be looking at the path behavior and how to use that and set it up. So it is pretty simple, and so this one will be pretty quick. Now, open your actor editor as per normal. I've already done it, but yeah, go into behavior editor, and given that you probably wouldn't have one yet, I would say go to create behavior and click path. Set a name, let's just say tutorial path. That is the name for it. And yep, so it will show up a little guide in the chat, which is a good reminder of how it all works. Generally speaking, the main things you need to know is you shift left click or right click to use actions. So shift left click a block without a point to create a new point, shift right click a block with a point that's unselected to remove that point, or shift left click a block with a point to select that block. And once you have a point selected, then you can do stuff like move that point by left clicking another location, or you can actually open a little editor and adjust what is called the pause time. So when the actor actually reaches that point, they will sort of pause for a little bit. Then once you're done, you click save. But let's give this a go. So shift left click the first point. So it doesn't have to be where the actor is standing, you can put it anywhere. Just sort of keep in mind an actor will like teleport to that location if you're changing to or from a path, But yeah, basically shift left click one point, let's get another one, let's get another one, let's get another one, and then let's do this, and then by default it will always go back to like number 1, so it kind of just goes around and loops in a circle. Now, the way that these paths work, they're not path finding, they're quite literally just having the entity travel progressively from one point to another. Hence why with these stairs I've sort of made them go like down there, and then you click that as well, because what that means is that really they're technically hovering, but they'll look like they're just walking up it, So yeah, if we give that a go, we can take a look at how that looks. So save. Yep, so now it's saved and we have one there. So we've got to select it and set as active, and now the NPC will walk along that path. And they'll sort of automatically like look around and that sort of stuff to see where they're going. And like all the other behaviors, you can add responses like dialogue for the interacting with them, or get them to even change response. Like you could maybe do a thing here when they're damaged by a player that they change to like an AI response, and then they attack the player, right? So that's sort of just like a main function for like something like a guard. In any case, let's go back into this editor. So it will pause the NPC where they are, and let's just show the whole moving thing. So for example, if I go left click here, I've selected it and it highlights green. I can then select somewhere else and it'll actually move it to there as well. The other thing you can do here is you go shift right